welcome to Synick Hills. Today I'm going to be working on this corner here, working on sorting out this rock face on this corner, and I've come across a product that I'm going to use, which is this foam rock. These foam rocks, they're a product made by a company called it says Mountains in Minutes. This one is the new grey flexible natural rock casting, which I think will be ideal for here. I just have to cut it to size to make it fit on this corner, as this corner has a, as you can see, it's right on the corner of this lockout track, and sometimes a car will jump off and hit that, and I'm hoping the foam rocks will reduce any damage to the cars. We'll see how this goes. Well, it took a few hours, about 3, but I've got the foam rock in position and it looks pretty good. Just have to put a bit of sculpt mold around it now to blend it in with the rest of it. And there we go. I've added the sculptor mold to the top of the rocks to blend it in. That looks pretty good. Next step is to airbrush it, and I'll do that as soon as I've got everything I need to do airbrushing. I've got most things, just got to get one or two few things more. Okay, so thanks for watching this quick update. It's taken a few days, and I'll leave you with a few shots of the slot cars running. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, what do I get? 15, 8, 8, 8, 9. I went backwards then. I spun around here and going backwards. Oh, under 15 seconds on that car. Oh! You see the speed going up there this time? Come here, slow down. 11.9, okay. What was that time the other day? 11 point what?
11.7.